In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly review every view on your project board: table, calendar, dashboard, timeline, and map. First, open your board. This is your home base for everything in the project. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct board and that your items and columns look familiar. If your board has multiple groups or sections, make sure they're expanded so nothing important is hidden. Next, look for the View selector, often shown as a drop-down near the top of the board. Click that drop-down. This is where you can switch between different ways of visualizing the exact same data. If you don't see it right away, it's usually near the board title or alongside any existing tabs. Start by checking the table view. The table is the most detailed grid-style view, perfect for scanning through all items, owners, statuses, and dates in one place. Glance across your columns to verify that key fields are filled in correctly. If something looks off, the table is the easiest spot to catch it because everything is visible side by side. Now switch to the calendar view. Here, your items appear on specific dates, so you can see upcoming deadlines and potential conflicts at a glance. Scan the week or month to confirm that every dated item is placed where you expect. This is a great moment to notice any gaps or overloaded days so you can plan ahead. Move over to the dashboard view. The dashboard compiles high-level insights like counts, progress, and trends. It helps you answer questions such as how many items are in progress, what's overdue, or where effort is concentrated. Check that the widgets are pulling in the right board and reflecting up-to-date information. After that, open the timeline view. Think of it as a Gantt-style layout that shows durations and dependencies across time. Look for overlaps or bottlenecks and ensure the start and end dates align with your plan. This view is ideal for spotting schedule risks before they become issues. Finally, check the map view. If your items include locations, the map plots them geographically so you can see coverage and clusters. Make sure each pin appears where you expect and that addresses or coordinates are correct. Once you've reviewed each view, look back to the top of your board. You should now see clear indicators or tabs showing the views you've opened, making them easy to access again. With the table, calendar, dashboard, timeline, and map all checked, your board is now much easier to view and navigate at